Hello students, today we are going to start our next chapter of G Science, 5th class, chapter number 1, the circulatory system. The first question is, what is circulatory system? The circulatory system is the life support system that provides our body cells with the food and oxygen. There are three parts of circulatory system. The first is heart, blood and blood vessels. First we will discuss blood. The blood is a red colored fluid that flows in the blood vessels and it has two components. The first is plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood and is yellowish in color. It removes carbon dioxide and wastes from the cells. Next are blood cells. Blood cells are of three types. These are the red blood cells. Red blood cells, they contain the pigment hemoglobin that gives red color to the RBC and hence the blood. Second are the white blood cells. They defend the body against infections. These are the white blood cells. Third is the blood platelets. They are very tiny cells that help to stop bleeding by clotting of the blood. These are the blood platelets. Next is the function of blood. The first one is it provides food and oxygen to every body cell. It removes waste from the cells. It helps in regulating body temperature. It protects the body against infections. Next are the blood vessels. Blood flows through the tubes and that tubes are called blood vessels. These tubes are arteries, veins, capillaries. See in this figure. In the artery, the blood comes from the heart and in the veins, the blood go through the heart. Next is heart. Heart is a living pump and it is the size of a fist like this. It is shaped like a cone and lies between the lungs in our chest. This is a heart. Next is structure of heart. The heart has four chambers, two auricles and two ventricles. Arteries are the receiving chambers of the heart and have walls thinner than the ventricles. The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the whole body and the left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Next are the ventricles. The right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from the right auricle and pump it to the lungs for oxygenation. This is a working of a heart. The first blood goes through right auricle, that is deoxygenated blood, and go through the right ventricle, then through the pulmonary arteries it goes through lungs, and then the pulmonary vein it goes through left auricle, and from the left auricle goes through left ventricle, and from the left ventricle in all the body parts. So this is a working of a heart. You can see all parts of the heart. These are the parts of heart. So your homework is solve exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 on your notebook and write and learn the new words. First we will discuss the exercise 1. Tick the right answer. In 1 minute the heart beats 72 times. Second is blood cell includes, what blood cell includes, that we discuss in the blood cells, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, means all of them. The third is blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries or all of them. The blood vessels are all of them, arteries, veins and capillaries. The fourth one is blood vessels with thick muscular walls are arteries. Blood flows in jerk in arteries. Next is true false. Plasma is a yellowish fluid, that is true. WBCs help in blood clotting, false. Blood platelets help in blood clotting. Veins carry blood from all organs of the heart, true. The heart has two chambers, false. It has four chambers. Thus septum prevents mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood, that is true. Next are the fill in the blanks. The right dash receives oxygenated blood from the right auricle, that is ventricle. Dash gives blood its red color, that is hemoglobin. In the heart, the dash lies above the dash, auricle lies above the ventricle. The deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped into the pulmonary aorta and is transported to the lungs by pulmonary arteries. When the blood auricles and ventricles are dashed, the auricles get filled with blood, that is when the ventricles and auricles are relaxed. Next is questions. The first question is explain the structure of the heart. As we discussed in the video, the structure of the heart, you can write that points in this answer. In the page number on page number 9, there is also a structure of a heart. Next is how are arteries different from veins? You can see on page number 8 there are write 2 points of arteries and 2 points of veins, that is the difference of these two. Next is name 3 types of blood cells and write its functions. 3 types of blood cells are WBC, RBC, blood platelets, and write its functions also. That these things we already discussed in this video. Next question is explain the working of the heart and the circulation of blood. On page number 9 and 10 there is a working of a heart. You can also write that structure that we discussed in this chapter. Write 3 functions of blood. On page number 8 there are the functions of blood. What are capillaries? On page number 9 there is a definition of capillaries. Define heartbeat. What is heartbeat? Heartbeat is a one contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. Next one hot question is which blood cells are called soldiers of the body? WBC. So this is your homework. Write all the question answers on your notebook and try to learn all the exercises and also learn new words. Thank you.